Students, in this video we will see how to write appreciation of the poem. These questions come in the exam in question number 3B. We have to write appreciation of the poem with the help of these points. The very first point is the title and the name of the poet. Second point is rhyme scheme. Then third point is figure of speech. And the fourth point is theme or central idea. The very first point, that is title of the poem and the name of the poet, it carries 1 mark. Rhyme scheme 1 mark. Figure of speech 1 mark. And theme or central idea, it is for the 2 marks. Whenever we are writing appreciation of the poem, we have to write in a paragraph format. How to write, that example I have demonstrated over here. The very first poem in 10th standard, that is Where the Mind is Without Fear. Now how to write appreciation? The very first point, that is the title and the name of the poem. This point we have to elaborate in a sentence. So here I have written the title of the poem is Where the Mind is Without Fear. We will highlight or underline the name of the poem, which is written by well-known poet. This part again we will highlight or underline. This is Rabindranath Tagore. The poem is written in the free verse. That is, there is no rhyme scheme present in the poem. Now up to here we have covered the first and this second point. Now about this figure of speech, that is third point. There are many figure of speech present in the poem. One of the figures of speech we found is personification. Again this we will underline. Here we have to mention the name as well as the example where we found that figure of speech. So I have mentioned the example where tireless striving stretches its arm. In this line, personification, figure of speech is present. Then next and last point, that is theme or central idea, which is for 2 marks. We can start that point. The theme or central idea of the poem is, now we know that every poem has its theme or central idea, that we can list in a 3 to 4 lines. This way we can score out of 5 marks, minimum 4 and 4.5 marks if we are grammatically correct. If it is grammatically perfectly correct, then we can score 5 out of 5 in appreciation of the poem.